Welcome everyone. I'm Dr.陶德醫師, and it is my pleasure to be speaking to you today. I did my medical training at Johns Hopkins, where I got my MD degree, did further training at Georgetown University Hospital, where I became a specialist in internal medicine, and then did training in pulmonary and intensive care medicine to complete that form of my training. I then developed a passion for biophysics, and with an international research team we have developed a new type of laser technology that I'll describe a little bit in more detail. Today we're getting into a bit more of the applications of our technology for creating a line of formulas and products that are incredibly powerful for health and well-being. In addition to the core patents in the technology, we've recently received international patents on creating the world's first new high-energy form of aspirin. This is relevant because despite over 100 years of research, no other lab on Earth has been able to create a new form of aspirin with enhanced physical properties. This was first granted in South Africa, then the United States, and now most recently in Japan, Taiwan, and China. In addition to that, we've received patents on creating new high-energy forms of all the major statin drugs that lower cholesterol, and we're working with various companies to make that a medical reality for the improvement of that whole area of cholesterol management. We, in addition, have a patent for laser-activated amino acids that are very powerful at repairing heart tissue. This product is so powerful that in just 30 days it regenerates so much heart tissue that persons with chronic heart failure have 25% better function on average, and about 60% of the patients in the study were improved to normal heart function in just 30 days. The core technology we call the Qi laser. We spell that Qi. In part that stands for quantum information, because we are imbuing the molecules with vibrational states that in turn impart a level of information that is not already present in the molecules, as well as bestowing upon them a higher energetic state. The technology is one of a kind. It is the product of over a decade of research with my colleague in Scotland and various labs around the world with whom we've been doing collaborative work. It is the only laser that takes an ordinary continuous wave of laser output and converts it into a string of extremely rapid impulses that are so fast they're as fast or faster than molecules vibrate. It's because we create these patterns of extremely rapid impulses that we're able to match the frequencies that molecules vibrate and have the ability to shape the molecules and enhance their energy to increase their biological effects. One of the areas that we have just filed a new patent in, we've shown that we can take a solution of nutrients that are already beneficial for the plants, treat them with the laser, and with the only difference being the laser, the biological effect on the plants is increased by 100% or more. There are many lasers out there, and virtually everyone now has a laser one way or another, whether it's the laser in your compact disc player or the laser that's used in telecommunications. Virtually all lasers work by having a relatively continuous wave onto which other signals can be modulated. And we're the only group to have created a way to make extremely rapid impulses of light that are at energy levels that build the energy molecules rather than actually break up the molecules. Because we are influencing the molecules in profound ways, sometimes the question is asked, are we creating GMO nutrients? And the answer is completely the opposite. What we're doing is completely different. We're taking nutrients that are known to be safe and natural, and whatever the benefit of those nutrients are, we're then optimizing them, or at least enhancing them to a higher energy state or to a better shape for their purpose, so that milligram for milligram we get a better result or a more efficient biological effect from the quantity of that nutrient that's taken. As far as the wonderful work that we're now doing with Perfect, there is an initial launched product which is OxyLipo, And another called oxynitrox is soon to be launched, and we'll discuss those properties a little bit. There will be a new product coming out called Oxyfinity, which has some amazing clinical studies for rejuvenation and